If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making BADA KORA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, half a cup of jaggery or gur, then take few cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, and we need about half a teaspoon of that, then a pinch of salt. Now take the jaggery along with quarter cup of water in a pan and set the flame on medium and let all the gur dissolve completely. Then after that, add the clove and cardamom powder, a pinch of salt and about 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it up really well. Then after that, add all the coconut, reduce the flame to low and coat them really well. And let it cook till all the moisture is gone, that is the water content, and the mixture becomes a little dry. Then switch off the flame and let it cool down for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. Then while it's still warm, take a large portion just like this and shape it like a ball, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad BADA KORA. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.